Alright, well, since I fried my breadboard and decided to wait for some fuses so I don't hurt myself with electronics, I'm going to go back to something I do know. Metal. Finally got the screws out. Take the pump off here. Ugh. It is actually really cool. It's a cute little thing. O-ring seal. Interface is different than I would have expected. I would have figured something like a spline or something, but that's fine. Whatever works. Oh, that's cute. It's a cute little sucker. Standard gear pump. We got some, you just got the roller bearings in here, shaft, through hole in the shaft so the oil can feed through. Ugh. But yeah, looks like a Woodruff key. This looks symmetrical, so you could probably put that in either way. This is kind of hard to mess up. But yeah, it's a cute little thing. Cute little sucker.